Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale inventory management with TradeGecko step by step clearly. Start by logging into your TradeGecko account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Navigate to the inventory section on the left sidebar. Click on products to view your current inventory list. To add new products, select the Add Product button. Fill in the product details, including name, SKU, and description. Set pricing information and manage stock levels for each item. Utilize the Categories feature to organize products logically. Consider implementing product variants for different sizes or colors. Once products are added, review your inventory reports for insights. Monitor stock levels regularly to prevent running out of popular items. Enable automated stock alerts to receive notifications for low inventory. Integrate TradeGecko with your sales channels for real-time updates. Set reorder points to automate restocking processes. Analyze sales data to determine which products are performing well. Use these insights to adjust purchasing strategies accordingly. Leverage the forecasting tools to anticipate future inventory needs. Regularly review supplier performance to ensure reliability. Consider using the B2B e-commerce feature to streamline customer orders. Customize your inventory settings to match your business model. Explore the app marketplace for additional integrations to enhance functionality. Test your inventory management processes periodically to ensure efficiency. Train your team members on how to use TradeGecko effectively. Continuously look for ways to optimize your inventory management practices. Stay updated on TradeGecko features to maximize your operational potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.